Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate you being here, just spending a few minutes of your day here on my channel. I hope that you are doing well. I've been in such a good mood lately because we are finally experiencing just the most beautiful, warm, sunny weather. I don't know about you, but I feel like life is just better when it's warm and sunny outside, and I feel like every free minute I'm outside enjoying it. So I am definitely ready for the summer season. Today's video is actually my FabFitFun video for summer. So I do want to say thank you to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. I'll show you all of the products that I got inside of my summer box and how I'm using them and how I'll be using them over the next few months. So when you become a FabFitFun member, you get a customizable box delivered to your door 4 times a year, and you get full-size products. You get to choose from all different categories, including beauty and fashion, fitness, wellness, even home decor. FabFitFun includes a ton of amazing brands. So typically I'll choose products from well-known brands I love, as well as a few new brands to try out. In my summer box, I got some really good brands. So I got products from Briogeo, Milk Makeup, like some of my favorite high-end brands with products that have a really great value. Some of these products are worth almost as much as the box itself. I also love that FabFitFun gives all members the option to actually swap their box for shop credit. FabFitFun is more than just a box. It's a shopping club that gives you access to members-only discounts and flash sales all year long. You can get some of the top brands for up to 70% off. So if you're someone who is typically looking for just a really good deal all year long when you're shopping, FabFitFun is a great option for that as well. You can actually get 20% off your first box with a new seasonal membership. The summer box has a value of up to $300, but you can get your box for $47.99 with my code andrea20. I'll put a link in the description box below. There were so many good choices for the summer box. I really had a hard time narrowing it down in some of the categories, but I'll show you what I chose. I would love to know what you end up picking for your box as well. You really can't go wrong because there were so many fun options this season. I think I was most excited about this product from Way. Whenever there is a product from Way available, I get so excited. I feel like I was introduced to Way through FabFitFun, or at least that's how I started trying quite a few of their products, because I've gotten a lot of this brand in FabFitFun, which is amazing because it is a high-end hair care brand and their products are so good. They make me feel like I'm at the spa or like a high-end hair salon. They smell so good. They feel so luxurious, and I feel like it's just an experience when you use products from Way. So this is the fine to medium hair treatment mask. This is such a great option if you do have fine hair like me, because it is going to infuse your hair with that moisture. It's going to leave it super silky, very soft, frizz-free, but it doesn't weigh it down. I feel like I can use this product and style my hair and I get all the benefits. Like, it's smooth, it's shiny, it's super soft, but it also still has really good volume, which is not something I usually experience when I use a hair mask. Also, a little bit of this product goes a very long way. Like, sometimes when I use a mask, I feel like I have to use like half the tub in order to get the results. That's not the case with this one. I feel like it spreads very easily throughout the hair. I apply this to wet hair. So I wash my hair with shampoo, rinse it out, and then I'll apply this product, leave it on for like 5 to 10 minutes and rinse it off, and my hair is transformed. It feels so good. I've been on like a big mask kick lately because my hair was so dry for the last few months due to like using poor products on it, a lot of heat, the cold weather, and I feel like I'm still working on like infusing it back with hydration, and I love this product. I'm so glad I got the chance to try it through FabFitFun. The value is amazing because this is a $38 hair mask. Also, this is made with their signature Melrose Place scent, which is my favorite scent of all time. A lot of their hair products are made with that scent. I also have the perfume. It really does smell like you're at like a high-end hair salon. So I absolutely love it. I feel like it just smells so, so good. So I'm really glad I got this. I feel like this made the box for me. Another one of my favorite hair care brands is Briogeo, and this product is something that I hadn't tried before. I feel like I've tried a ton of Briogeo products, but not this one. This one is the Superfoods Banana and Coconut Soft Wave Texture Spray. I felt like this just sounded perfect for the summertime. I love a good texture spray, but a lot of them leave my hair feeling very dry or very tangled. Like, they give you that beachy, wavy look, but they also give you like that tangly feeling you usually get at the beach if your hair's down. But this one actually leaves your hair feeling super, super soft. This cuts down on frizz, and it actually gives my hair a lot of volume, which is weird because I don't think it actually claims to do that. But whenever I use this, I feel like I end up with so much volume, which is really nice. So after I wash my hair, I'll just spray this in and kind of tousle my hair, scrunch it up a little bit. You can use a diffuser if you want to blow dry your hair, but I usually just let my hair air dry when I use something like this, and my hair takes forever to air dry, like a good 3 hours. But after it fully air dries, here's what it looks like. I feel like I got a really pretty soft, very natural wave. Again, a ton of volume. If I'm outside on a humid day, it will be a little bit more wavy than this, or if I don't comb my hair before using this, I can get more of a wave as well. But I like that it just gave me a lot of volume, a lot of texture, because I feel like this is even just a good base if I do want to go in and style my hair as well. So here's what my hair looks like if I add in like a couple of curls on each side. This literally took me like 4 minutes. Also, this has the best beachy scent. It smells like bananas and coconuts, and I feel like it's going to be really nice for the summertime. During the summer, my hair is a lot more wavy than it is right now because I have humidity on my side. I did get a makeup product in my box. This is from Milk Makeup. It is the Rise Mascara. It's a lift, lengthening, and volumizing formula. So I actually tried this a few months ago. I got a little sample of it during the holiday season as part of a kit, and I did a review of it on my channel, and I told you guys I was shocked by how much I liked the formula. It just looks really pretty on the lashes. It definitely gives your lashes like this lifted, curled, open effect. So I feel like it makes your eyes look really big and awake. And in the past, when I've tried mascaras, I've always been a fan of like an overly dramatic formula, like something that almost looks a little bit clumpy and just looks super intense and voluminous. And these days, that's not usually what I go for. I want something that gives length and volume, but I also want separation. I usually don't go for something too clumpy, and this is perfect. I don't have any experiences with smudging or flaking. It removes easily at the end of the day. I actually just finished up my sample like a month ago, and I was thinking about repurchasing this product because I've enjoyed it so much. The packaging is interesting. It's kind of like this rubberized material, and it does make it easy to actually open the mascara, which is nice as well. So I think this is such a fun option. I tend to go a little bit lighter with my makeup during the summertime, and sometimes I'll just do like bronzer in the crease and mascara on the lashes. So I feel like this is perfect for those types of looks. Actually, one of my go-to skincare products was also available. Sometimes when I'm choosing products from my box, it's nice to choose products that I haven't tried before, like the Briogeo spray, but sometimes it's nice to choose products that you know you love, like the mascara and this cleanser, because these are products that I would have went out and repurchased anyway. So it is an amazing value to be able to get them in my FabFitFun box. If you haven't tried this cleanser, I think you'll really love it no matter what skin type you have. It's from Selfless by Hyram Skincare line with the Inky List. It is the Centella and Green Tea Daily Gel Cleanser. I always say this when I talk about this on my channel, but this is one of my go-to cleansers for spring and summer because it is incredibly lightweight. If you have sensitive skin, I think you'll also really enjoy this formula. I love the lightweight gel texture because it doesn't feel too heavy on the skin, but it's also very, very hydrating. I think sometimes when you think of a gel cleanser, you think it could be more ideal for oily skin, but I also think if you have normal skin or dry skin, you'll like this product as well because it definitely leaves my skin feeling very smooth, very calm, but also really hydrated as well without being too heavy. I think during the summertime, I don't know about you, but I tend to avoid like very heavy, intense, thick, rich cream cleansers. They just feel like a lot on my skin, especially in the morning time. So I love this one. This is always in my shower because I feel like it's very refreshing to use first thing in the morning, but it just leaves my skin feeling really hydrated and prepped for, whatever I'm doing that day. Whether I am wearing makeup or I'm just going in with skincare, I really love the texture of this. Okay, so I actually hadn't tried this next brand or product, but this just sounded really nice. It's by the brand Serum Kind. It is the Black Blossom Hand Serum. So they always say that you can notice signs of aging when it comes to the neck and the hand, obviously the face as well. But I don't know, I feel like the older I get, the more that I do notice that my hands are looking, I don't know, just not quite as fresh, I guess, as they used to. I do apply sunscreen, I do apply lotion, but to be honest, I feel like my hands don't get the same care that my face and my neck and my chest do. So I have been trying to be a little bit more consistent. Like I've been trying to put more time into my hands as well and just apply like a good SPF, like a really nice hand treatment. And this just sounded really interesting. So this has really good benefits. It's supposed to promote youthful hands all day. It's also supposed to hydrate, fortify the skin's barrier, soothe dry skin. My hands have been so dry this winter, and as we're heading into the summertime, they're not quite as dry, but I still thought this would come in handy. The texture of this product is really nice. I think I thought it was going to be like a watery serum based on the name, but it's not. It definitely feels more like a traditional hand cream, like a very lightweight hand cream. It smells amazing. They describe it as a subtle musk blended with floral notes of rose, magnolia, jasmine. Wait, that makes so much sense because this smells very similar to the Melrose Place scent that I love. And now that I know they have those common notes like rose and musk, that just makes sense to me. This smells so, so good. The first time I was using it, I was like, that smells exactly like Melrose Place scent, which I said earlier is my favorite. It's a nice lightweight texture, perfect for the summertime. So this is something I'll include on my nightstand and use it at night before bed. And I feel like my hands will be appreciative, or I'll be appreciative that my hands will be looking very moisturized. The last thing I got is something I did not even know existed until I saw this. It's a foldable yoga mat from the brand Gaim. Why did I not know these existed? I've never seen someone with a foldable yoga mat. I've only seen people with the round ones. My yoga mat is kind of big. It's a little bit bulky. Like it's very cushiony, and I've been going to the gym again lately and it's fine. I feel like, I bring it with me, but the fact that this exists and it's so small and compact and I can just like stick it under my arm and just fold it up when I'm done is just so much more convenient to me. Even if I wanted to use this at home, it's perfect because you could just stick it in a drawer, stick it in a cabinet. I've told you guys before, we don't have a ton of closet space in our house, so my yoga mat currently lives in the trunk of my car, which works because I just always have it with me. But when I don't have it in my trunk, like if I'm not currently going to the gym, it just stays in like a random corner of a random room. So I love this one so, so much, and I just thought it would be convenient. Also, this did come with a promo code for 1 month free of the Gaim Studio Yoga app, which is a really nice added bonus. I'm someone who does typically need like the accountability of a fitness class. Like I need to sign up and I need to know that they're counting on me being there for me to go regularly. But I feel like I would also like to kind of supplement the classes with something at home as well. So I do plan on trying that out because I think that was nice they included that as well. So that's everything I got inside my FabFitFun box for summer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, you can get 20% off your first box. I'll put a link in the description box below. You can use my code Andrea20 and get it for only $47.99. It is an amazing value. There were so many good options for summer. There were a ton of cute home decor products, some really beautiful fashion items. I honestly had a hard time narrowing it down. I couldn't choose, but in the end, I am happy with the products that I got inside my summer box. So let me know what you guys got in your box. Thanks again to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you very soon with a new one. Bye.